Namaskar, friends. The whole world is fighting a war against a pandemic. I guess in this pandemic period, a question is haunted in your mind: how a disease can rise from China and spreads all over the world. Though the people of China, Iran, Italy, Brazil, India, Russia are very much different in their physical structure, physical power, food habits, etc. etc. And this disease is attacking in all age groups, from little babies to senior citizens, men, women, all are suffering. Look at the region of Lombardy, of Italy, or New York. It is devastating. More than 3,000 years ago, the same question has been haunted in the mind of our ancient Ayurvedic scholar or health scientist. I hope that you may have heard the name of Charaka Samhita. It has 8 segments, asthanas, and 120 chapters or adhyas. Do you know what is the name of third chapter of Bhimanasthan? It was named as Janapad Dhanshanya Bhiman. Janapad means human habitats. It may be a village, a town, semi-town, a megacity, etc. etc. And Dhans means destruction. More than 3,000 years ago, in this chapter, that very question has been asked. How can a disease attacks in all human beings, irrespective of their age, their physical structure, their physical power, their food habits, and can destroy their habitat? And what was the reply? These human habitats share 4 things in common, that is, air, water, earth, and time. Abnormalcy in their nature or rise of impurity level or contamination in these 4 leads to destruction of human habitats. Signs and symbols in air, water, earth, and time, which leads to outbreak of epidemic or pandemic, vividly described in this chapter. It will be long discussion, but I want to cut short of it. I only discuss few points which you can correlate with the present scenario. Otherwise, it will be a boring discussion. Winter in 2019-2020 has been warmest on the record for Europe. The Harbin Ice and Snow Festival, which is China's biggest winter festival, has been forced to shut down 10 days ahead of its scheduled time because of rise of temperature. It is first time in their history. The Sapporo Snow Festival of Japan, which is famous for display of around 200 snow and ice sculptures also suffer this year due to lack of snow. On the other hand, in India, first half of May comes under middle of Grishma Ritu, that is summer season. Every year, in this time, northern India face heat waves. But in this year, we have enjoyed cool weather. We did not even switch on our ACs due to many hailstones. And Delhi looks like Srinagar or Simla due to hailstones. So warmer winter, colder summer, this indicate contradictory condition of the season, that is Ritu Bishama, or appearance of opposite character of the season, that is Ritu Lingat Viparit Lingam. The Ritu Bisham or contradictory condition of the season comes under the abnormal feature of Vayu, and Ritu Lingat Viparit Lingam, that is appearance of opposite character of the season, comes under the abnormal feature of time during the pandemic or epidemic periods described in this Janapad Dhanshaniya Biman. Globally, number of frequencies of cyclones, typhoons and hurricanes are increasing in last couple of years. In India also, we have faced cyclone Fani in May 2019 and cyclone Bulbul in November 2019, and now super cyclone Amphan in May 2020, which is very, very unusual. These phenomena are indicating towards abnormal feature of air during pandemic or epidemic period. I'll discuss other features during pandemic and epidemic period as described in Janapad Dhanshaniya Biman in the next episode. If you have any suggestion or query, please comment me. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Namaskar.